You can't leave me in this mess. Judy Austin send Yul Edochie a message. Judy don send Yul Edochie street warning o. Dis one no be say na beg na Judy come dey. Na message na Judy Austin pass across to Yul Edochie. Wey my pipo, e don still set again o. Kasala don burst for inside Ogbe Raka industry. There is fire on the mountain. My pipo, una know say Yul Edochie tell Judy Austin say he is done. Like he's done. Judy should leave him the hell alone. That Judy cannot force him to come back to her again, no matter the strategy when Judy Austin go use on her. Because they say Yinka come go dey tell Yul Edochie make he just go back to Judy, make they just play 2 or 3 times, make social media people for know say they still dey together. Say he promise Yul Edochie to help am produce 1 or 2 movies. As Yul now dey try to rebrand himself, he don open YouTube channel strictly on his movies produced by Yul Edochie. Say he go help Yul Edochie because the shame and disgrace from online in-laws towards Judy Austin is too much. That Yul Edochie should just play along, even if say anything even dey happen sef. Make Yul Edochie abeg play along, say he go sponsor 1 or 2 of him projects, like his movie project anytime soon. Yul Edochie say lie, he done with Judy Austin and he's not ready to go back. Like na know that song now. It's already too late, oh no, I will never go back, oh no. So they say Judy come dey cry, say so last na so Yul Edochie take leave am. Last na so Yul Edochie do am and e no good. They say people wey dey support Judy Austin are prick warriors come say if Judy dey weak or she come dey cry, e go make Yul Edochie dey feel say he has won, or e go come make Yul feel say he defeat her, Judy Austin. Judy should stand up as a woman. Whether she not see how Queen May Edochie take stand, she not see how Queen May Edochie take come back, like her coming back was fire. Make Judy make sure say e no make Yul feel less of herself. Make Yul not feel say she's less of herself. She should stand up as a woman that she is, blah blah blah. Now they say Judy Austin now send message to Yul Edochie, say Yul cannot leave her in this mess. They are in it together. That the 100 million naira lawsuit that Queen May Edochie filed against her, that it will be paid by her and Yul Edochie. Yul need to come remove her from this mess first before Yul know say he won't move on with another person, be it Lizzie Gold or another actress in the industry. Like Judy is now like sending a warning to Yul Edochie. Now she's not trying to even apologize or beg Yul Edochie again to come back to her. It's like she's now warning Yul Edochie that Yul cannot leave her in this mess, that they are in the mess together. Yul no go fit use her finish, can't dump her like that, and 100 million naira lawsuit case dey when be say she need to pay, when Queen May fight against her because of her daughter when she commit with Yul. So Yul no go fit come leave her now when be say now he need Yul Edochie most. My people, nothing we will never hear for inside this ogbonge matter between Judy Austin and Yul Edochie. Every day na different matter na it dey happen. Every day, every blessed day. Like you cannot just wake up in peace without any issues of Judy Austin and Yul Edochie not trending on the media. My inbox don full. How many I go fit talk? How many? Because Yul Edochie say he no dey do again. Now Judy dey warn her now say he should not leave her in this mess, that they are in it together. When Judy enter Yul Edochie life, Judy no know say Yul na married man. Or when Judy dey claim Mrs. Yul Edochie, when she go use capital letter write Judy Austin Yul Edochie with capital letter for all her social media platform, she no know the consequences that goes with having affair with a married man who married under the statutory law with his ex-wife. Because some women no just dey talk say make the man even carry wahala comot. I wish as Yul Edochie carry Judy, May say she no want polygamy, Yul no come dey do by force, by fire, by force, say he come dey want forcefully cajole Queen May into polygamy, and he no come dey drag marital property with Queen May Edochie like that Ajah mansion wey Queen May use her sweat take build. Judy no even know how the foundation of that Ajah mansion was laid. Yet she was fighting Queen May over her own property, over her sweat, over her labor. How I wish you no go dey do Queen May Edochie anyhow. I no believe say May for even my Yul. She for just still do am the way other women dey do am, say make this man even carry wahala go bye bye. But as you wan come dey form because na actor, na celebrity, na public figure, e be wan intimidate Queen May Edochie, forcefully collect everything from her, go dey spend am or use am with Judy. That's why Queen May took the legal way to fight Yul Edochie. And that was why she even have to sue Judy Austin. Judy get 100 million. If they say make they even look am, Judy entire life, all her years on life, Judy don't count 100 million. You should not go see am. But now because say they be wan use Queen May Edochie, they won't take her simplicity for stupidity. They wanted to see her say, oh, because she's too calm, maybe she's stupid. That's why Queen May Edochie even have to involve the courts in this case. Because Queen May Edochie no dey talk. When Judy dey do all this nonsense for social media, Judy no know say law dey that country, even though say they don't see that country finish, say na bribery and corruption full am. But guys, if you know your level, if you know your way, laws still dey work, like law exists. Yes, the country still dey work for some aspects. And thank God say it worked for Queen May. Thank God say Yul Edochie no use connection, he no use him power, he no use his public figure, him act or anything take collect property from Queen May. Everything May Edochie was protecting till now, she still have them in her possession. Yes, thank God the system did not fail Queen May. Judy now dey tell Yul Edochie say he should not leave her in this mess. When you were gallivanting with Yul Edochie on the media, doing Isi Mili content to spite a woman that Yul Edochie married to legally, you don't know say they not go leave you for the mess. Different problem every day. For over 3 years and still counting, we no drink water drop cup for media because of Judy. If she not cry today, she go faint tomorrow. If she not collapse next tomorrow, she go enter hospital next tomorrow. Only you want big problem up and down. Big problem. My people, not be small thing o. They say Judy don dey cry, say Yul cannot leave her at this moment o. Say make they fair go the court case finish. Make they know the final judgment from the court over the 100 million naira lawsuit before Yul Edochie go know say he no want again. Say but for now, Yul is not going anywhere. I sure say na all those prick warriors, the likes of Chi Jenny and Yinkolo Menta, na im dey give Judy Austin mind. If Yul Edochie start with Judy, you see everything when even happen with Queen May, na tip of the iceberg. Yul go use Judy Austin take turn to Sansan when True dey do a mababa for junction. If Yul Edochie say make he face Judy Austin, those people when they give her mind now, they talk wetin she dey talk, they drag Yul. You cannot leave me in this mess all alone. We are in it together. They go run leave Judy for junction. They don't know say not be people when dey there when music they play. Not be all of them dey there when music they finish. Mona dey tell Judy make wetin she won't talk and wetin she won't do. I pity una. Una wan use Judy take compare May. I don't know say May Edochie, that woman a computer wizard. Now her ex-father-in-law na he talk am computer wizard. Before Pete Edochie will call person computer wizard. Now I know say wisdom follow and come from birth. They born May Edochie with intelligence. If he not dey, not dey. If he didn't dey, didn't dey. You know if he compare branch with the roots. So before I go use May till they compare Judy Austin, I mean they use Judy they compare May. Mona know say they not dey the same level. They not dey the same level. Judy Austin, you are in it all alone. You are in this all alone. Carry your cross. 100 million naira lawsuit you must pay. Yul Edochie must leave you. You are in this all by yourself because nobody send you message. Next time, in your next life to come, when you go see married man, especially when we say the wife, when the man married, they call her Mary, May, or more. Run for your dear life. Run. If you see hurt for this one, the next one, you go run. Yes. Maybe now 1 billion naira, now you go pay for lawsuit for damages. My people, not be smart thing. Judy don't they want Yul Edochie say it goes nowhere. We are in this together. Wahala be like bicycle. God bless you guys. This now Bazzy News. Hit on the follow button. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and remember to put up the post notification bell. I will see you all on my next upload, guys. Bye.